Okay, let's give you a trigonometry question. So, how do you find this angle theta? So to do this, imagine you're on a beach and the sun is always opposite of the angle. So imagine the sun is here and you're lying on the beach. So this is you lying on the beach. And then you get a sun tan. So this will be tan. And heaven's up here. So you see a sine to heaven. So this is sine. And you see a cod jumping out of the water. This is your cod here. So cod sounds like cos. So this is cos. So which one do you need? Are you going to use tan, sine, or cos? Well, this is in play. This is in play. This length here is not in play. So you should be using sine. So you sine the angle, but you don't know what the angle is. Just leave it as theta equals, well, if you look at this arrow, you start at 3 and then follow the arrow, you hit this length. Well, this length here is 5, so over 5. So now it's just a matter of working out theta. So to get theta on its own, inverse sine equally to both sides. So that would be this, inverse sine of the left hand side, sine theta, and then inverse sine the right hand side, inverse sine the right hand side over 5, and then now these two are inverses of each other. They will cancel each other out, leaving you with theta, and then on this side it just stays the same. So on this side it just stays the same. Remember, when you do this, you don't really write this step down. You would just jump from here to here. So for example, when you're here, hang on, when you're here, to get theta on its own, in your mind, you would inverse sine equally to both sides. When you inverse sine of theta, it would just be theta. And then you inverse sine the right-hand side. So when you come to write it, you would just write it like this. You would just write it like this. So this is your final answer. Okay?